In today's video, I'm going to show you how to create image overlay in Webflow. So start by adding a div block to your page. And to do that, click on the add button in the left panel. So here you can just look for div block and drag it onto your canvas. Then next is place an image inside it. So here we're just going to drag this image in this div block. Next, select div block once again, and in the right menu, set the position to relative. This allows other elements to sit on top of the image. Now click on the add button once again and add another div block inside the same container. This will be your overlay layer. Now set its position to absolute, then stretch it to cover the image by setting the top, bottom, left, and right to 0. Next is give this overlay div a background color. So once again, head over to the right menu and scroll to background section. So here we can set it to black or a brand color and also reduce the opacity to something like 40 or 60 so that the image still shows through. Now, if you want a text on top, simply add a heading or paragraph inside the overlay div or div. And here we can just grab a heading element and center it. For a nice interaction, open up the interactions panel, then click on hover to create a hover animation. So here, animate the overlay's opacity. Now the overlay fades in when someone hovers over the image. So that's pretty much it. Thank you very much for watching this video and I'll see you again on the next one. Bye!